Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. The Pixelbook Go had just launched, and even the original Pixelbook was still holding its own. However, in the years since, it has felt like Google's interest in the form factor has waned. We never did get a proper Pixelbook 2, and the Pixel tablet arrived without an official keyboard. While the Pixel Tablet 2 sounds like it could finally remedy that keyboard oversight, Google is reportedly also working on another return to this category, as we hear about development of a Pixel laptop. Google has supposedly greenlit plans for a high-end, premium laptop featuring Pixel branding. Google has assigned a team dedicated to this project codenamed Snowy. That is about the extent of what this report covers. We are told to expect reasonably advanced hardware, with the laptops sounding comparable to MacBook Pros or Microsoft's Surface laptop, but no details have been shared just yet. The much bigger question, though, is what software this device would run well. As per the report, Chrome OS would be likely, but also not 100% confirmed right now. Chrome sounds like the reasonable assumption, sure, but what if Google defies expectations and doubles down on Android? Instead of tracking with the Android Pixel Tablet 2 and a Chrome Pixel laptop, Google could commit to Android across its hardware lineup. In addition, based on what we've heard about the company's shifting software priorities, an Android-powered Pixel laptop is the bet we'd have to make, and we are eagerly waiting. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.